Yeah, so I picked up this old lawnmower for free from a local classified. It's old Black & Decker, twin blade. Blade's recently sharpened. Everything looks good. Works good. Motor sounds like the bearing's loose. I have no idea the year or model number. Can't find anything on it. Some information on the engine. Or, not the engine, sorry, the motor. I'm a car guy, not used to this electric stuff. But, yeah, I've not seen any model numbers or anything. I haven't pulled the cover off. I will yet. We'll see how she goes along. I'm pretty sure it's before 82 because it's just got a switch here. But, yeah. I should have got a quick clip just to show how long the grass actually was, but you can kind of get an idea for yourselves by this video here. But the lawnmower just handles it like a champ, just mows right through it. No problem at all. But yeah. And this is the final product. It honestly turned out quite well. I wouldn't say it's half bad for a 40-some-odd-year-old mower. Yeah. I'll definitely be using this again. Good job, B&D.